whole bunch of clearance plants, so I figured I would come to you and let you know what I am finding out. They have a whole bunch of rosemary for $2. You need some rosemary. They got Walmart. Got rosemary up the wazoo. And they have these petunias, planter hanging baskets, and they are for $5. Beautiful colors. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. It is cold out here today. Alright, let's see what else they have. And they have Delphiniums. Ooh, wow. They got Delphiniums, and they are $2. I wonder what colors this done. Delphinium is a perennial. And I love me some Delphiniums. So, of course, you know, your girl will have to pick up a couple of those Delphiniums, because Renee is always looking for anything that is a perennial. Then they've got these Gerber, let me see. What is this plant? This one is a geranium. But I don't think these are on sale. I don't see no sale tag. But the flowers are gorgeous. Let me spin it around and see. Yeah, they're on sale for $7. So that's beautiful. More rosemary. These geraniums in the red pots were $12, but they're on sale for $10. So they look nice and healthy. But I'll wait till they go down. Then they have some smaller petunia hanging baskets that are $6.88, and they're on sale for $5. Walmart is putting these clearance things out. I think this is a columbine. Let's see. No, it was a perennial. That's the name of it. How much did they mark it down to? Look, I don't see a markdown price. Oh, here it is. This markdown price is $5. Alright, let's keep it moving. Then they have some Dusty Millers over here for $1. They're looking in pretty good shape. Then they have some petunias, $1. Don't know what the colors are. These Dusty Millers down here look a whole lot better. And they have some Begonias, which are $1. And that's what they look like. More of those hanging baskets. Ooh, these are pretty, but it's an annual. These are the plants that I put in my my Zen garden, and they are for, I don't see, oh, they're for $5. Walmart like $5. That must be their normal thing. Then they got marigolds, which are $1, which aren't bad. And then they have these, which I was thinking about getting them because these are $5, but that is an annual. Then they have some more canis. That's a red one, and I'm sure this is $5 too. Yep, $5 for that cannon. More Dusty Millers, $1. Vincas and white for $1. And they got some more begonias down here. Let's see how much they want for these. Spin it around so we can see. $2. Not bad. I mean, it's a pretty color, but I'm not interested in begonias, but I figured you guys might be. And this is a planter that they have got it all potted up for you. It's regular $12.88. That's what it looks like. Let's see how much of it. This one's gonna say $10. Watch. Ah, no, I was wrong. It's $7. And that's cute because it's got these beautiful white plumes. Got some purple in the back. For if you don't know how to put excuse me, plants together, that's a perfect option for you. Over here, they have these plants by Proven Winters. I don't know what this one is called. This one is Opening Act Pinkadot. That was $9.88, and they have it for $5. And this is what it looks like. It's beautiful. This is a perennial or annual? It's a perennial. It has an upright habit. If you need something tall, that'll be a perfect flower. And like I said, they got a whole rack of more rosemary. Wonder why? Guess rosemary is not a good seller for them. Or they order too much. Hey, which works in our favor. And then they have, what are these? These are azaleas for $5.97, but they're on sale for $3, which is cool. I love me some azalea. You guys know that. What's this one? And they got some rhododendrons, which is $11.88. Let's see how much these are for $5. It's not bad. And they had the daylilies like they had last time for $2. And they got a fern. I don't know. Ferns usually don't go on sale at Walmart. But I don't see a price on this one. But they have a fern. Don't know how much it is. And look at the condition. They just let their plants just fall all over. Oh, here's the ferns up here. They're for $7. And that's what they look like. So if you like ferns, Walmart has them for $7. Then I got a tree over here because I know you guys are interested in their trees. So let's go check this out. I don't know what kind of tree this is, but I don't think it's on its own. Yeah, maybe it is. It's this one. It's a crepe myrtle tree. And that one's for $49.98. And then they have these ones. You know I'm all looking up in the basket. These are $3.97, but I don't see a sale price on those. You know I'm being nosy. Every time I see a basket with a plant in it, you know I gotta at least look and see. And I think that's it for Walmart. They got these bleeding hearts over here, but I think these are normal prices. But they should be going down on the clearance rack because they don't look so good. I'm sure the next time I roll through here, I'm sure I will see it. Check out this basket. Now they want $20, $19.97. This is a plant you could use because they have clearance begonias over on the clearance thing. Creeping Jenny, you can get those for like $3, and that's all it is a begonia and some creeping Jenny. You could do that, and your two plants together will not add up to no $20, especially if you shop over there on the clearance rack where they have begonias. And you don't have to put like a creeping Jenny in there. You could put like, you know, the one of the bacopas. You could be a sweet potato vine. You could put any kind of trailing thing that you want to drape down or cascade on the side. Just because you see that doesn't mean you're stuck in that one particular category of spillers. Even though Creeping Jenny is really, really cute, you know, and is vibrant, there's always options for you. Don't forget that. Keyword is options. All right? Well, I'm going to leave it with you there. It's for something beautiful as I'm out at Walmart. And it's going to be this begonia planter that I know you can do this on your own. All right, guys, if I see anything else, I will come back and let you know. All right, take care.